Go.
E-A-G-L-E-S, Eagles!
Alright.
Yeah, man. Eagles, we got the hardcore fans here. You know, we showed up for the first preseason game, and there ain't no messing around. It's only green around here, baby.
All green, boys.
All green. Alright. Okay, we'll move on a little bit.
Who's next? We got Pop.
Got him.
Let's give it Eagles. Alright. Well, you like the Eagles? Because they're awesome. That's right. Alright, you guys are going to be famous. You're going to be on YouTube. Okay? Let's get the Eagles. Come on. You know, only the hardcore show up. You know, only the hardcore show up. Let's get the Eagles, boys. E-A-G-L-E-S, Eagles!